Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you how you can set up DJI RS4 with your camera. So I got this DJI RS4 2 weeks ago and obviously I want to make some videos, and obviously I decided to pull the trigger and purchase this expensive gimbal to attach to my new camera. And also I want to show you how you can attach that, because I was really struggling to set this one up. So first of all, make sure you got your camera ready. I got my DJI R6 Mark II with a really light lens. It's an EFS 10 to 18mm, so it's a wide angle lens. So let's have a look inside the bag and let's set up this gimbal with this camera. Cool, so just open the bag. As you can see, I still got the tag on it, and that's it. So you got the battery itself, just put on the side. There is a little tripod, which is good. That's the one you need as well. Make sure you have it. And just to let you know, this is a combo one. I decided to get a combo one to get all these little bits and bobs. You never know when you might need it. So now you got the gimbal itself. It looks heavy. Looks really heavy, I think, and it will be more heavy once we're gonna attach it together. So the battery, it goes on here. Show you, that's it, and you can see it's locked. And you got here locking system. Just make sure it is locked. So just make sure, don't go too tight. As long as you can't go any further, just leave it like that. Now you got this little tripod, just screw it here, and you got your stabilizer ready to go. Now you want to go with the camera, so just stay with me because I did it once, so I might struggle again, but I'm still gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna leave this one on the side. Cool, so once this is ready, we need to go into the locking system. So you got this little locks here, so you say it's unlocked, and for the camera it needs to go 180 degrees and lock it again like that. Now we go here and have a locking system, and we lock it like this, and again another locking systems, it is here. So to attach your camera to this gimbal, you need to get one of these attachments. Just bear with me because I forgot where I put that one. I'm sure I left it here somewhere. Oh, I don't need this. I think I got it. That's the one I was looking for. So this one, it goes underneath here. It's like you're gonna screw it. We're gonna leave this on the side like this, and we're gonna go ahead with this one. This one goes towards you, so it will be like this. I'll show you again. That's how it should look. That's how it should look once you put it on the camera. Make sure it's really tight and solid as well. Don't go too mad. As long as it's tight and secure, it should be alright. Now we got this little attachment, which this one goes on here. Oops, my bad. Goes this way. So from here you can literally make the adjustments yourself, but before that I'm gonna put the camera on to see, because once you put the camera on, you'll need to make sure you do calibrate the camera before turning it on. So I will go with this one. Just make sure this one is tight, just in case. So again, you got locking system here, make sure it's tight. And now I got this, I got the camera on, that's it. So now we need to calibrate this gimbal with the camera first before we turning this gimbal on. So we're gonna put them on, just undo all this locking systems and make sure you calibrate it. So as you can see here, it's not really level, so you need to make some adjustments to the camera, and so it's leveled, the weight is spread across. So let's do these adjustments. So this one looks like this, have it this side. So this one looks all right like this, okay. Sound. And now, as you can see in this video, it's a bit heavy on the right hand side, so you need to make adjustments on this arm. So we're going to unlock it here and try to push it. Oops, too much. So that's pretty much on. Looks leveled, looks all right for me. Now let's turn this stabilizer on and see how it works now. As you can see here, works fine. So as I said, make sure you calibrate the camera manually before you turning the gimbal on. My mistake was because I didn't know about that. So I was trying to calibrate this while it was on, and because I didn't know also that you need to calibrate it, the gimbal was struggling and was like showing it was showing like it's too much pressure on the motors. So this way now, you can see here, works fine, no issue. The gimbal is pretty good, isn't it? Looks heavy, but looks all right to me. Now I got also other attachments which I want to show you to you. So let's go to them. So that's the first one I got here. So if you go like a heavy setup, or maybe it's too heavy for you, maybe you got a bigger battery, because this battery is a bit small and you got a bigger battery, I would suggest you to get one of them. But if you got combo, you should be all right. So let's undo this, and it's like a handle, should help you with the weight. So this one goes on the side here. So you can put it here on this side, just make sure you lock it. It's a locking system, make sure you lock it here as well. Now you can see it's pretty solid. Maybe you need like this one to handle heavy camera, but if you could, maybe you need this one a bit of help, which is easier. But looks all right to me. You can adjust this handle the way you want it. So if you want to go down, you can go down, maybe like that, or if you want to go up, depends how you want to shoot. It's up to you. Maybe like that, maybe if you want to do like a really low movie, you can handle from here. So looks all right to me. Now if you want to add extra bits to your camera, like a zoom on, so when I got this camera for was this little attachment it was for. So this one is for the zoom, if you want to use the zoom on your lens. So I'll get this another little attachment and show you how to attach it. You need also cable type C, which you got in the kit, and also you need that's the one you need it, which comes with the kit. So basically this one you're gonna have to attach to your lens all the way around, and when you're gonna zoom in or zoom out, you'll be able to do that from the control. To use the lens zoom, you'll have to change the camera attachments. So basically you'll have to take the camera off, take this little attachment off, and you'll have to put this one on. So this, you got screws as well here, which you're gonna have to use a flathead screwdriver and to your camera. But this one goes on here. You lock it, and then this goes on here, and you lock it again. Make sure it's solid. You don't want to lose out. And you got these two slots for Type C USB cable. So one will have to go on here, and then one here with this cable, and then this you'll have to put around the lens, and I'm gonna show you. Go around the lens, and you'll have to put this one on, and this little motor will gonna zoom in and zoom out your lens. It's pretty interesting to use this one, but it's handy to have it. So far, that's what I want to show you, how to set up your camera with the DJI RS4. And as you can see, it's pretty solid. It's a solid setup, a bit heavy. Quality is good. I'm quite happy with the purchase. Quite expensive purchase, but hopefully I'm gonna use it. Well, I should use it. I'm gonna throw money, just not use it. But it's expensive purchase. You need to make sure you're gonna use it if you buy it, or obviously if you're planning to buy, you know you're gonna use it. But so far I'm happy with this, and hopefully I'm gonna use it. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you're gonna click like, subscribe to my channel if you want it. Any questions, ask in the comments. I'm happy to reply you back. And I'm going to see you in the next video.